Hi guys, today we are gonna learn how to buy a Travellia 1 month subscription gift code in a crowd one. So let's do it. So first of all, you're gonna have to log into your crowd one. Now that we're logged in, go here to you're gonna have to go here to your profile picture. But before you do that, I want you to scroll down and check how much business points you have. So you can check it if you go down on the account balance, you can see your business points there. And then make sure you have enough. And now we're gonna go to our profile, and then in our profile section, we're gonna go to our gift codes. So we log into crowd one, we check we have enough business points, we go to the profile and go to the gift code section over here. We click on it, and now we select Travellia, right? Now go down. Now select this one, Travellia 1 month subscription. Costs 290 business points. I have over 290 business points, so we have enough. So I only want to buy one. So I'll buy one. And then I just click on buy Travellia gift, 290 business points. Oh, hold on. I guess. So apparently we are unable to buy it with business points. So we're just gonna buy it with Bitcoin. So same thing. Click on the Travellia 1 month subscription in the Travellia gift code section in the crowd one. And once you click on that, buy Travellia gift code, and you're gonna click on pay with Bitcoin. And then you're gonna click here to generate payment address. And then, so now I click here to generate payment. Now it's gonna show this. This is the amount of Bitcoin that you're gonna send, and this is the address on which you're gonna send it to. Now you're gonna have to go to your Coinbase because that's where you're gonna send. That's what you're gonna use to make your payment. That's where your Bitcoin is, and you're gonna send your Bitcoin from your Coinbase to this address. So first of all, let's copy the amount of Bitcoin we need to send. Let's go to our Coinbase page, and then let's just go to send and receive in our Coinbase because we're sending Bitcoin. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna switch it to Bitcoin, and then we're gonna paste the Bitcoin amount here. That's the Bitcoin amount, and over here we're gonna paste the address of where we're gonna send the Bitcoin to. So that's how they're gonna receive the payment. And when they receive it, they're gonna give you the gift code. So now let's copy this, highlight it from the left to the right using your left mouse, and then you're gonna right click it and you're gonna copy it with your left mouse. Now go back to Coinbase again. You can go here to tool, and then you can just right click and you can just paste it. Make sure the address is correct. You're not missing anything, because if it's not accurate, they're not gonna be able to receive it and you're gonna lose your Bitcoin. So make sure it's correct. That's correct. And I'm gonna do select the right asset, make sure it's Bitcoin. I'm gonna press continue. And I'm gonna say wallet, another exchange or institution. I'm gonna click on send now. Okay, now they're gonna be sending you a notification on your device, on your mobile device in the Coinbase app. So we're gonna go to our mobile device in our Coinbase app. So go to your Coinbase app and say yes. You say yes on your Coinbase app? Okay, good. Okay, now that we've said yes, we're just gonna have to wait. And it's sent, and it usually takes about 30 minutes for it to complete the transaction. But once it's finished, you're gonna go here to crowd one, and we're gonna go to our gift code section. And then when you go down on your gift code section, you're gonna be able to see the gift code that you have recently purchased and haven't used. So you're gonna be able to see it here in the unused gift code section. approximately after 30 minutes. You're gonna be able to see it here. And what you're gonna be doing is that you're gonna copy that code. You're gonna copy that code. You're gonna go to C store. You're gonna go to Travellia. You're gonna go to C store. After you copy the code, you're gonna go to C store, and you're gonna go down. You're gonna go to Travellia, learn more, and then you're gonna go down here. And you're gonna go over here, and then you're gonna paste the gift code here. That's not the gift code. You're gonna click paste the gift code here, and you're gonna click on verify gift code, and then they're gonna take you to the instructions on how to create your account. But that's how you buy the gift code for Travellia for 1 month subscription using Bitcoin, and how you're gonna use the gift code. And that's it for this video. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.